Today we're going to be talking about appositives. So rule number 1, an appositive is a noun or pronoun that renames an earlier noun or pronoun that serves no other function in the sentence. The noun or pronoun that is renamed is called the antecedent. The book refers to this as the head word. Antecedent comes from the Latin meaning before. Appositives may appear alone or in phrases. Our first example is example B. Barbara has gone with my brother, the camp yoga consultant. Camp yoga consultant is an extra phrase added to the end describing the brother. This next example shows an appositive separated by a couple of other words. Whom did you forget? Me? Me is replacing whom in this sentence. Rule number 2. Some appositives are introduced by the words or, namely, and similar expressions. You can tell such words are appositives because they rename the word in the sentence and mean practically the same thing. For example A, a pirogue or dugout is a means of transportation on some bayous. Pirogue and dugout mean the same thing. Let's take a look at another example. Example B. There's only one person I would vote for, mainly my uncle. You could tell that this one is an appositive because of the word namely. And my uncle is replacing the person you would vote for. Let's look at Rule 3. When it does not sound awkward, put appositive nouns and pronouns in the same case, meaning nominative, objective, possessive, etc., as the antecedent that it is following. Example A. This is Romero's, the catcher's, chest protector. Romero is a possessive case, and since the catcher is renaming Romero, it also needs to be in possessive case. Example B is a little more complicated. Whom did you forget? Me? Whom and me are the same word in the sentence. They both need to be in objective case. Obviously, whom did you forget? I doesn't even make sense in this sentence. Next class period, we'll go over a couple of these kinds of sentences, and I'll give you a trick that'll make this a lot easier.